Oh, hey, what's going on? Guess what, y'all? I'm tired. I'm tired. These goddamn gas prices going up. Ah, I'm tired. God. Holy Ghost. Oh, them in the White House, oh Lord, yes I'm here. Lord, beat them down. Say, pray. Praises go up, blessings come down. Lord, I'm tired of these gas prices, Lord. Take my hand, guide me, oh, I'm tired. Oh Lord, I'm tired. Oh Lord, I'm tired of these gas prices. Oh my Lord. Oh, that's all I'm thinking, y'all. Oh Lord, I'm tired of these gas prices, Lord, Lord, Lord. Help me fast, oh Lord, before I do something wrong. Oh Lord, oh Lord, I'm tired. Oh Lord, I'm tired. Take my hand, take my hand. Oh Lord, take my hand, take my, take my hand. Woo, oh Lord, I'm tired. Oh Lord, I'm tired. Take my hand. Well, I know I don't speak for me, so I'm in prayer. You dig? With everybody else. Come on with me. Oh Lord. So that's the way they did it from you might as well. You know. We don't want to have to call Farrakhan, because they ain't fucking around. They come in the door, slapping motherfuckers, kick the White House door and blam! And motherfucking gas prices like, fuck wrong with y'all. Fuck. No, we using Mexicans. What the fuck? There you go again. That's people of color, ain't it? They black, we black. You ain't never seen a black Mexican before? Shit, I seen a black Mexican before. I'm talking about black. Goddamn. Blacker than a motherfucking Arabian, I'm telling you right now. Don't think they just come caramel and brown and shit. They come black. Just like this. Black, goddamn. Motherfuckers look black from a distance. You get up on them, they pretty than a motherfucker, man. I think Arabians too. Well, most of the Arabian men are real dark. They darker than African. I'm tell you right now. They might stay covered up. Be riding that camel out there in the desert, but they be black as a motherfucker. You be like, well, what that pretty woman, what that black mother, what that black motherfucker. Boy, he's so black. He purple, you heard me? Put a nickel or shit. Put a African this ain't. He be shining. Skin be shining. Some bitch rich, boy. Hear me, Lord, hear me, 'cause I'm tired of these prices of gas, Lord. For real. So I'm praying right along with you because that's all we can do, right? Now, I told you yesterday, unless everybody gonna do it, can't be just one or two say, no, I ain't gonna do it. You be like, fuck it. That fucked the whole thing up. We can't do it. Keep on working. Yeah. Keep on working. Don't do it. If everybody ain't gonna do it, then don't do it. Don't be that fool. Right here, I'm tired as hell. And I'm not gonna take it anymore. And everybody stand back and let you act a damn fool. They let you get it all off. It wasn't to me. What to me? He wasn't acting a fool. Yeah, all they gonna do is hold up a damn phone. And tape the whole shit. Please be whooping your ass down. Hard-headed, goddamn hard-headed. Nagger. Hard-headed nagger. Oh, that's fucked up. That's all they gonna do. Oh, we got it right here on camera. That's fucked up. That's all everybody be doing. They record this. I got it on camera. I got it on the camera, and they be talking shit, but you talk just enough shit. Hey, you need to get back with that goddamn car. I could tape if I wanna. Yeah, that's all they gonna do too. So if it ain't everybody, don't go for it. I'm tell you right now. Don't fall for it. Be as bad as the Winky Dinky Dog. Man, they exploit the black man. They make you look bad. You get in here. Oh, you killed it, my brother. You killed it, my only brother. No, I can't do this. I can't do this. This exploits black people. Yeah, for the good and the wealth of the powers that be. There ain't no good for us. Telling you. Robert Townsend played that part of the Winky Dinky Dog. Yeah. Yeah. Just a little. Just a little something. I ain't gonna go long this time. You dig? I'm gonna spare your ears. Yeah, dig. shit. I got kids. I ain't got time to play no game. Huh? I don't know. Was that electric company? One of them. I forget what that was. Talking about something. I don't know whether it was algebra or spelling or something like that, or conjunction or something. Putting sentences together. Yeah, so don't be sleeping on that, kids. If you're in high school, junior high school, and all that, you be like, that ain't for me, boy. You better take your ass back. Take your ass back, back, and go check it out. Because, you probably was watching as a kid, you forgot all about it, and then you go sit down, that's a lot of things that will bring your mind back, and it all makes sense to you now, you know what I mean? You never too old to learn. Yeah, the electric company. I bet you Maria's still fine. You was the first. You listen. Your nemesis is Mrs. Huxtable. You're her nemesis because y'all's two fine Puerto Rican ass women, man. Shit. And let me tell you something. A whole bunch of little kids had a crush. No, you ain't got to tell nobody. Just take your ass to the electric company and all that. Even if you go to back to Bill Cosby, to the Fat Albert and the gang, all that stuff, man. Look, they gave out a lot more. They gave out lessons back then. Trust me, and they teach you almost better. They get right to the Woody the Groody. They don't bait you up. They just show you because you didn't know, and you're supposed to show. Sometimes they need a little something dealing with youngins and make it fun. The baiting up is well, you're a kid. Where else you gonna be? You're gonna be doing kid stuff. So they come in and they make you work your brain so that you can learn these things, right? And you be able to figure it out. Then I don't know unless you show me. See what I'm talking about? And even so, well, that's that resort right there. Just go back. You notice little kids when you give them that thing and you put them on there, not Barney and all that. That goes along with bullying. Here's these soft kids, and then you got these hard-headed ass kids over here with all that other shit. You know. Just go there. Turn your children on to that. Kids are thinking it was brought out just yesterday. I promise you. They just made this yesterday, and we was growing up, and the shit was already. Excuse me. Sesame Street was already Here's a better example than that. When we were kids, we watched The Wizard of Oz, and then they did a rendition of it with Michael Jackson and Diana Ross with the Wiz, right? And Barry Gordy, he didn't really want to do it, he said, but he did it anyway. Yeah. You can't catch it, you will. Let me tell you like this right here. You'll learn it because uh, you already let the children out for the summer, right? Some of you children had to go to summer school. Don't sleep on summer school. I'm gonna tell you, you learn more in the damn summer school than you learn in regular school all year long because this teacher will sit down, remove all that other stuff. You go to school regular time like you do, but get out at 12. Now, I used to go to summer school because they take everything and put it together so that you putting this puzzle together. You see? They don't teach you this, just go on and on, and then you drop that, put that in, bring out the other book in the little desk and bring it out. And then you work on that. All they did was gave you a bunch of mess to go home and keep you occupied. And then at the end of the year, try to introduce the next stage to you. And it's like this bullshit. You should have been, well, I don't mean cuss, but when I'm talking about this, but it's the truth. It's how you was teaching and other kids that were just, they weren't in, every other kid was interested in toys and stuff like that. Some kids, they had their, got past the playing with the toys and all excited. It's a toy over there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that over there when I get through with this over here. And they were more interested in uh, learning something. That was what turned them on. Now I'm gonna show you something. Now I used to see kids in my school coming up through, I don't know, maybe the fifth, sixth grade and on. They reading these damn novels, right? I never could get into reading no novel, no book, right? Don't get me wrong, unless it was something I was really interested in, but novels, a novel, that's some kind of story, I wasn't even that interested in. Uh, well, I'll put it to you like this. Let me put it to you like this. Some of them kids had a had a book. Some of those, if when you become a jackass, a teenager, anywhere between 10 and 15 years old, you're gonna get your hand on a Playboy magazine or something. Right? Now, pretty soon you don't necessarily get tired, you'll get over just watching, looking at the pictures, right? The photos. Then you be like, well, discover, well, what is this saying on here? So then you learn how to read, right? You learn how to read so you can know what it's saying. You started reading and everything on here, and it goes into a scenario because you want to wonder, is this person, do they even think just as plain as anybody? Do you have a regular life besides what you're doing in here? You know what I mean? And you start reading and this and that, and you have the person that's the interviewer, and then you have the guest, the person they're interviewing. And then they go into all these stories about, mm-hmm, all that kind of stuff. So I figured out what they were reading. You know what I'm saying? No. It was the cover of the book, and they kept that book with them like it was the Bible. Yeah, I ain't lying. They hurry up and scratch them little, shade the little dots in on the little test real quick, and then right back on in that book again. I've seen boys and girls do that, right? You know, I wasn't into it. I go back trying to figure this shit out, to be honest with you. But them was kids that, these kids was fast track for your ass, because they'll sit there and be doing that shit, and they bust that shit out before they go home. So all they gotta do is go home. They take the books home, but they didn't see all that goddamn homework. They ain't about to go home and have school all the way to bed. Shit, tell you lay down and go to sleep. That's how much bullshit they gave. And I know it for a fact. So, and it wasn't that you didn't learn it. You might been like children are. You pick it up. If they show you that's an A, that's a lowercase a, that's a B. You get that, right? And they keep going over it. Okay, a letter a day, right? You go to school 5 days a week, so that's 5 letters, right? For the beginning of the alphabet. Then the next and the next and the next, right? Then at the end of it, you write down what you remember in the order. You might try it backwards, right? Same thing with the number line, right? Single numbers, double numbers, right? After 9, it turns to a 0, and then so on and so forth, right? You get all of that. But if you don't know what it's really used for, you just pick it up, learn it, put it down. Pick it up, learn it, put it down. Oh, that's a period. Oh, that's the word and, and all this other stuff. And then you start trying to put it together. Then you got to put this bracket together. Now, this comes English. You have the topic up here, and you still really trying to keep up with it. You really don't know what the fuck they're asking you. Okay. Now I'm going to explain it a little bit to you like this. This is your mom's. Oh, here. This is your pops. Oh, here. They came together, and on this line they had you, and then they had you, and then they had how many other siblings you got, right? Then each one off that line, you met somebody, you came along there, and then there's another one, you and whoever on that line, and then you split off into a whole bunch of other, that's a bracket. And then you start going on and so forth. When they was teaching, I didn't really understand it, right? That was confusing to me, because I still just didn't really understand it, but they could, because they were supposed to sit down and really make you understand what the hell they trying to say, instead of, oh, this is now, put it over here and do it like you're so tired of this damn teaching. You've done taught so many of them. You sound fucking tired when you're teaching these kids. And plus, when you get done, you threw this shit to these black kids because you didn't give a fuck about them learning how to read. Motherfucker! You didn't. And if you really didn't like them, you wasn't going to teach them shit. They just in the class, you give them the book. Here, stack of books. Take one, pass one back. Now, it's true, but, I didn't start it. I was a fat boy, a simple Simon kid. But then you start going to school with a bunch of other goddamn hickey head motherfuckers trying to pull you out. Pretty soon you gonna if you're not no crier, you gonna ball up your fist and make a some bitch get up off of you. Now, some of them kids, they just so nerdy, they know how to escape out the back route and be gone long time ago before all the little bullies get the fuck out of the school. And if they really determined to get your ass. They might be in the corridor waiting on you and you almost home. Bullies, man. Yeah, I had my share of them motherfuckers. And I turned around and I didn't become a bully. I just learned how to defend myself against a bully. And what I learned is it don't make no difference if the principal told him or some grown up then told you, because he pulls you in there and you in just as much shit as he is. Ain't that a bitch? You know, like, oh, why? It's like, man, this motherfucker this some bitch crazy. You know what I mean? One of them days, you got to ball up your fists and fight. Now, I've seen some white boys, white kids. They went somewhere and got some little lessons. So they wasn't taking that shit no more. You bullied him, you kicked him in his back. And this motherfucker becomes, goddamn. He's so limber, man. You can swing all day at his head. He'll bend all the way back and touch his butt. Take the back of his ass with the back of his head. Or you swing and you just know you got him solid. You'll spin around in a circle. He turned his head all the way the fuck around. All you see is that hair. You can't even touch his hair. Like the Exorcist. Say it ain't true. Say it ain't so. Then it takes the posture, this posture, and the motherfucker learn how to lick your ass, boy. Bip you in your nose, hit you in your nose, hit you in your mouth. He play that role with you. You dig what I'm saying? He counting every time what kind of way you moving. He gonna dance with you awkwardly. But he could fuck around and reach out there and touch your ass, man. Yeah. So don't think white boys just gonna take no ass whooping. He keep on bullying him. He picked the perfect day to kick your ass in front of your friends. That part. Yeah. I don't know. I've been lucky enough that none of them pulled a gun or a knife on me, though. When we was kids in them days. Now, man, get the fuck away from that son of a bitch, or should go to a whole nother school, because dumb son of a bitch, even if you whoop his ass, he gonna come back with something. Lady cab driver, won't you take me for a ride? Don't ask me where I'm going, I won't tell you no lies. Roll up the window, drive fast. Dun, 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 dun. Lady cab driver. I want to go to the top. Would you help me? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Well, you bastard. Why won't you help me? Because you have to purify yourself in the lake of Minnetonka, in the waters of Lake Minnetonka. Oh, wait. That's not. Dig if you will in my stomach. Feel all the butterflies up inside. You got the butterflies all tied up. Don't make me chase you, even birds that fly. How could you just leave me standing and alone? The world is so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like your mama, too broke. Windows, enough of that. Stop, quit. I'm the only star in this town. What time is it? Oh, what time is it? Jerome! Jerome! Yeah. Baby, what's your stinking ass phone number? Cause he be drunk. What's your stinking ass phone number? How can you be reached at such late nights? And baby, what's your phone number? Yeah. I don't want to hear about the kid now. Why? 'Cause I'm bad. Yes, I miss my whiskey. You're the great. Yeah. I see, yeah. stinking ass Apollonia, baby, I seen last night. Shit, I already got the number. Mois, I'm so tired of you, huh? Buggy. Lots of nastiness. But Lord, such nasty. But this bitch. Oh, fuck you, Gerald. You could have had some pussy. No. Smelling like alley cat. No, you don't. I still want you. I can't have you neither. Them the same fishnets you had on last weekend. Them the same butter skis you had out. When the kid was on the stage, talking about computer. Where is my love life? Where has it gone? Somebody please tell me what the fuck is going on. Until I find the righteous one. Computer blue. I knew a girl named Nikki. Guess you could say she was a sex fiend. I met her in a hotel lobby, masturbating with a magazine. Said, how'd you like to waste some time? And I could not resist when I saw the little nigga ride. She took me to her castle and I just couldn't believe my eye. She had so many devices and things on money, what money could buy. She said, sign your name up on the dotted line, and the lights went out. I missed a whole bunch of that, right? Something about all the jockeys that was there before. Oh no, that was Little Red Corvette. I woke up the next morning, the little nigga was there. I looked all over it, all I found was her phone number on the steps. It says, thank you for the funky time. Call me up. come back. You little black bastard wanna cry. Come back, nigga, come back. Little nasty little bastard wanna cry, 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 cry. The fuck are you doing, kid? The stage ain't here for you to do your personal shit. I done told you this before. Fuck you, man. Sit up. Oh, no. Your motherfucking mind ain't gone so goddamn crazy you can't see it. This here is a business. This here is a business. See, you're swiped out. You're swiped out. You're swiped out. Man, I'll be back to give y'all some more of this play along, something else, whatever else I got for you. You stay tuned. Yeah.